the 074 Club in Donegal, sometimes known as Randy. Beside me here is my R32 gts-t Skyline. It's a 1990 model. It came originally off the Ep.1 DET engine, but this particular one has the 1UZ VVTi engine from a late model LS400. I think it's 98 or 99. I had the car now for over 3 years. Haven't done too much to it, sprayed the wheels, looked after the engine and stuff, and also got it repainted and all last year and undersealed by Marty at Midnight Auto. The reason I kind of decided to start doing these blog videos now for this particular car is because of some stuff that happened to it in the last couple of months. The car was parked beside a house I was living at the time, and someone vandalized it, tried to set it alight and robbed a bunch of stuff from the inside. So I figured it may as well be a good point to document the process now, from getting it into the garage here, ripping all the parts out, getting new parts in and getting them back on the road hopefully for the next couple of months. Hopefully in time for Japfest at the end of September. So I'm going to give you kind of a walk around here and see what kind of state the car is in right now. Trust me, it looks worse than it is. So in here we can see a lot of fire damage, particularly to the seats and the roof as well. And the sunroof, this was a sunroof model, so obviously that has to go. They robbed the radio, a few different dials I had for sensors, temperature readings. Back seats are a bit damaged, but I kind of got away not too bad with that, but it's mainly roof damage in there. Yeah, so it's not very pleasant right now, but thankfully it's just interior damage that's been done. The car actually runs fine. So it's just a matter of taking out what's been damaged, replace it or fix it up. Obviously the seats need to be replaced and some of the interior and roof lining needs to go as well. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So I'm going to get started here on ripping it down and hopefully give you something to watch for the next couple of minutes. Paul here again. So we've done a bit of work on removing a lot of the interior from the Skyline, but we realised we actually need to go and get a few things in the meantime to finish it off for today. But for now I figured I would just give you a quick update to show you where we're at. I'll show you what we pulled out here and what the state is currently on the inside of the car. So this is the passenger's seat. As you can see, it's not in the best condition. This is all parts here that we pulled out that's definitely going to the bin, and there's some interior door pullers, roof lining, a few other bits and pieces here. These are the passenger rear quarters, the interior bits. They're actually in pretty good nick, so we can keep them. Just need to clean up the carpet a bit on this. Rear seats aren't too bad. The top half seems to be mostly okay. Just a bit of soot here and stuff on it, and bottom bit does have a bit burnt on the passenger side, so don't know what to do, whether to keep this or not, but we'll see. And here is the driver's seat as well, so yeah, good times. So currently this is what it's like on the inside. plan now is to see what we're going to do about the sunroof. Going to get the glass out anyway and go from there. Get all the interior bits out and the centre console and all, rip the carpet out, and then hopefully the dash bit as well, and the steering wheel and all, so fun times. So yeah, it's going to take a break. We'll be back in a bit, hopefully a bit. Hey guys, it's Paul here again. So as you saw from the walk around there, we got a lot of stuff done today. Got the dash, the carpet, I love the interior and the seats all out, as well as the windows all clean, so it's starting to look a bit more like a car again, from the outside at least. Next plan now is go through a list I did at the end of the day of parts that I need to replace and stuff I need to do. So maybe see if I can get some of that stuff online, ask around in different forums, go from there. Hopefully over the next video I'll do a bit more to tidy up of the interior, maybe touch up some of the paints on the inside. Now that I actually have the roof laying off, I can see what's underneath it, so anyway, stay tuned.